Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to get the best quality for your photo by setting the highest efficiency of your photo result. So the thing that you have to do is just go open your settings, and whenever you open it, just like scrolling down until you found a camera. Whenever you found it, you just need to go click to open it, and here you just need to go into this first boxes that containing a lot of option, and you just need to jump into the formats. And to get the best quality, you need to change from most compatible into the high efficiency. Okay, when you already set the format become the high efficiency, so you will be automatically got the highest quality, which is a 4K at 60 fps and 8 or and 1080p at 240 fps with a high efficiency. So that's the way how to get the best result for your photo or video with your camera. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.